Hi everyone, it's Gail, and it's July 29th of the hashtag Jelly Postcard Play Challenge from Ceri the Crafter. So this one has lots of elements, so we're going to get going on this one. And first of all, get the jelly print down. Yeah, this one's got a lot going on. A lot of different kinds of glue to use. All that kind of stuff. So, but love this jelly print. It's got metallic paint on the top layer and it's just so pretty. Okay, so there's that. I am going to, excuse my reach, grab my Fabri-Tac. Sorry, I get myself out of camera here. I've got you zeroed in so you can see the postcard a little bit better. Let's see, do I want to put I think I want to put these on first. Okay, that's what we're going to do. First things first. Okay, yeah. This is a cutout from a scrapbook paper. Okay, oops. Stick it to my glue page. I think I might need a new one. When you start to stick to it, that's a good sign. Okay, so there's that on there. And then got to get our 29 on there. Okay. Just going to put this kind of here, I think. And then a butterfly I'm going to put on that, and then we'll get our lace on. Okay, that's going to go kind of just right there. Okie dokie. Let's put on the lace. See if we can get some Fabri-Tac out of this bottle. Yep. Okay, and get the correct side up. And we're going to just slide that on there. And then, oops, I'm sticking to it. Excuse me. Okay, and then we're going to put this little charm on here. Just attach it to the lace. Like so. And there we go. There is July 29th. So thanks for watching. Have a grateful day. Be kind always. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.